Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting next on AUDUSD. But if you have not done that, if you have not subscribed, you should click on that subscribe button to stay updated. Like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll be putting more back-to-back updates there, and also be giving free signal in the Telegram. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting next on AUDUSD. So let's start with our overall trend. Consider our overall trend on AUDUSD. It's an uptrend move. Then this movement eventually gave us a change in trend where it broke this low for our coach. Now market is eventually pulling back up, so we should be expecting that bullish move. So it till it taps a level of 0.66200. So this is our level next on AUDUSD. 0.66200 should be our level. Now let's roll down to the forward time frame. So market is eventually doing that. We should expect it to come to tap a level of 0.66200. Once it taps this level, I'm going to give you guys an update on what AUDUSD will likely do next. Possibly it might break up and continue the movement to the upside, or it might literally drop. If it drops, before it drops, I'll give you guys an update, and if it will push up, I'll give you guys an update. So just stay updated.